Join our Patreon to get early access to videos just like this, ad-free. Link is in the description. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Ryan, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add background scroll effects to your mobile design. Let's go ahead and get started. So just to let you know that this is a brand new feature that Wix just added. Now I do believe, at least at the time of recording this video, this feature is in beta. So if you don't have access to this feature, just know that's coming out soon. Or if you just really can't wait for this feature, I will have a video linked in the description to show you how you can actually get access to beta features early. But let's just, for example, let's go ahead and grab this section, which has a background image. Right here, we have background scroll effects, and we can easily select parallax. So just like this, if we preview and look at it and we scroll, we see that nice little background scroll effect on this section. Now, if we switch over to mobile view, here's what it looks like. If we select the section background, we'll notice that we now have this option right here called animation. And right here, we will see all of these different effects. Now we can select parallax to match the desktop if we wanted to. But the cool thing is on mobile, we can actually do different ones if we want to. So let's just, for example, let's say pan right. So on preview, we can see that the image is panning to the right as we scroll down, and I think that looks really cool. And of course on desktop, we're still gonna have parallax, which looks really cool. But one really cool thing about this feature is not only can you apply it to sections and section backgrounds, but you can also apply them to strips and columns within strips. So if I switch over to this page, you're gonna notice that we currently have a strip inside of a section, just like that. And of course, we can add a background scroll effect here on desktop as normal, but if we switch over to mobile, we can click this animation icon and we can see that we can add the scroll effects to this as well. Now with strips and columns, we actually have this little drop down here. So right now we have scroll effect enabled. So this is going to be the parallax, but if we press this drop down and select entrance, now we're going to see those animations that we're typically used to. So let's say we say float in and we press preview. We see that the animation starts for this image and we scroll down. Unfortunately, this completely removes the background scroll effect for it. So you are not able to have both a scroll effect and a regular animation tied to it. So if we switch back over to scroll effect and say parallax and press preview, the image no longer has that animation as it fades in, but it will have that parallax scroll effect. So that is one thing to note, at least here in the beta feature, we cannot have both of them applied at the same time. But let's just go ahead and switch over to the column page. And here we will notice that we have a pullback effect here on mobile. And this is just a column within a strip that has 3 columns. So just to show you that it works here within a column, that's what it would look like. But that's basically going to wrap it up for today's quick little video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more Wix and EditorX content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.